You're not anime. Yes, that's what he said. That's what he said.
Wait, how long? No. Wait, when am I gonna see it? Later? How long?
Dude, later. I don't fucking know. Anywhere between now and eventually.
What? When are you posting it?
$10, I'll give you it to you right now.
When are you posting it?
I will literally tell you the exact order right now.
You said you're posting it later though.
I can hold it off as long as I want. Yeah. I'm the main guy behind it.
Go ahead, slow.
Did you win already? Yep. Here. What was the score? Derek, what was the score? You have to play Patient S. Don't you fucking walk away from me. Derek, you have to play Patient S. You have to play Patient S. Oh. It's 2-0.